amigo, welcome back to my channel. Vale, estoy en mi autobus. Ok, yo tengo dos cosas que necesito decirte algo, ok? Alright, let's see. I think I mentioned it before, I bought a bus, okay? I'm gonna plan on being one of those traveling nomads, but I'm gonna be a city nomad. I'm actually gonna plan on being, because I'm a nurse, most of my clients are in the city, so I needed where I wanted, because I fell in love with tiny homes over a decade ago, and I've been wanting one, and you know, life happened, or life refused to stop long enough for me to switch it up. So I changed my lifestyle. You know, I minimalized, you know, became a minimalist and started downsizing. Okay. So, and finalmente, you know, yo hice compré un autobus. I bought a bus. So, hopefully, you will see this bus in the future. It's going to take a few months for me to have it built out, okay? Because I'm the girl paying for all the bills. And I don't have any sugar daddies out there. I don't have any rich cousins out there. So I work and I literally have to buy everything, okay? And I'm working with a builder. The builder's called Vivid Builds, okay? And he doesn't have a YouTube channel, you know. I'll put his Instagram in the chat, in the description bar, okay? So, hablamos sobre el autobús, okay? Primera. Okay, mira. Allí, la cama, okay? Va a ir la cama allí. And right here, así, en este local es la ducha, okay? And yo tengo un ducha y un baño, you know, so I'm going to have a toilet and a shower. The shower's already purchased, right? That's the bottle shower. You see how big this is? This is the pan. I'll actually be standing in that pan. The water's going to be I'll actually be standing in that pan. The water's going to be draining down. It's big, right? It's grande. So, and then I'll have a kitchen and stuff like that. Porque no tengo mucho dinero, you know, necesita trabajar y pagar por un cosa en el autobús, y también yo trabajar más y más en continuar el proceso de comprando las cosas para mi autobús. Yo quiero tomarlo a otros países más tarde, like próximo año, yo lo espero que, pero porque COVID, no sé seguro cuándo podría tomar el autobús a otro país. No sé cuándo. So, like, I don't know when I'll be able to travel with the bus. I know other people are traveling to other countries in buses and vans and in planes, right? But because my living is a nurse, soy enfermera, you know, I have to be very, very careful. Okay? So, yes, I'm going to have to be very, very careful. I am vaccinated, and this is going to be the bus is called the Purring Kitten, okay? You'll find her on Instagram. You're going to see pictures as the build-out happens if you're curious. But yeah, the parent can't go to be a vaccinated bus. So if you see me, you have to be masked to enter or vaccinated to unmask in front of me. Period. Punto. Okay? So anyway, that's the update about the bus. Okay? El futuro, yo quiero decirte más y más y más sobre el proceso, sobre el autobús. Okay? So anyway, besos y abrazos. Yo adoro, yo adoro, yo adoro.